2nd of November and lots of low pressure systems coming through over the next few days, bringing showers or longer spells of rain, sometimes heavy. And temperatures are a little higher than typical for the time of year, but often with cloud and rain. I remember years ago being out with my husband. He didn't bring a coat and we were going to be outside for the afternoon, and he said, well, it's going to be mild. And I said, what are you talking about? It's going to be mild. He said, well, the temperatures are going to be high. I was like, yeah, I think they were going to be 16, but at a time of year when it wouldn't usually be 16 degrees. I was like, yeah, but if you're standing outside and it's windy, 16 degrees is not mild. So although yes, the temperatures are higher than typical for the time of year, it's not mild because you're out in the wind, and also there'll be rain as well. So beautiful blue skies at the moment here in the east of Ireland, but there's rain coming associated with a low pressure system out to the west, and that's going to bring increasing cloud. You can already see on the satellite image the cloud shield from the warm front, so that's the high cloud. And I'm actually looking out my window at the small little, I think we call them horse's tails. They're the cirrus clouds that are high up in the atmosphere, made from ice crystals, and they are a signal that there's a warm front approaching. So I know from looking at those cirrus clouds up high up in the sky that the cloud base is going to start to steadily come down as that warm front approaches, bringing rain. So that's what's happening in the west at the moment, and that rain will come on later on today and it'll turn heavy at times. So into Monday, it's kind of a rainy day on Monday. The rain probably going to stay dry in the east for much of today, Sunday. It'll be tonight before the rain gets fully over the whole of the country. And then Monday's a rainy day, cloud and rain. And Tuesday, I think the rain initially in the east moving away, and then some dry weather developing, and then more rain. There's still a lot of uncertainty. There's disagreement among the major models as to what's going to happen Monday night into Tuesday. So that's a near-term uncertainty, which is unusual enough, but it's there. So it wouldn't be pinning down exactly whether you were going to take an umbrella when you go out Monday night or have an umbrella ready when you get up Tuesday morning. More rain again midweek. There's a feature developing out into the mid-Atlantic, a big area of low pressure systems with another area of low pressure developing on it. I talked about it the other day. It's dumbbelling lows moving around each other. We're right on, the jet stream is right directly over the country, quite strong at the moment, weakening a little bit and then picking up again. And we're right on the boundary between the warm air to the south and the cold air to the north. We're kind of staying in the warm air out until the end of the week. As I say, not feeling warm if you're out in the wind, but we are on the warm side of the cold front, so not getting cold at night. I hope that's not all too confusing and it's a little bit helpful to somebody somewhere. It's Slán go fóill.